What's up, guys? This is Tim. We have a 2-box break for JT. 2010 Chrome, 2016 Chrome. Both hobby. Good luck. Let's see if we can pull this man some Gary Sanchez. And then maybe a Vladdy Guerrero out of the 16. Yes, Corey, we will. Because eventually that stuff gets cheap. It keeps dwindling down in price, and then we snag it up. You were a fan of Immaculate Baseball? I'll tell you this, Corey. If it's something that you want to rip by yourself, we can. If you email me, I can get you a price on it, and we can have it shipped right to you too. We do that for those of you guys that buy your own cases. We can get you really good prices on them. If it's something like that. If it's something you just get a hankering for every now and then. But we will stock it again at some point. That's the short way to answer your question. Sorry, I kind of went off on a tangent there. There's the 16, or the 10, and then let's get the 16. Alright, let's do 16 first, and we'll end with a Gary Sanchez red. Did you, Corey? Nice, man. What'd you pull? Immaculate Baseball, or are you talking Flawless? I think you're thinking Flawless. Boy, that's a fat card for Chrome. What the hell is in this pack? It's a really fat card. What the hell is that thing? Arizona Fall League Fall Stars Relic. Damn, that could be nasty. I'll keep it right on the bottom. Big fat card. Wagner Cobb Dual Relic. My God, man. That's awesome. That's an awesome card. And it looks like you have an Affleck in here. JT, I feel your luck is turning. You definitely have an Affleck. Yeah, that's an awesome hit, Corey. What was it numbered to? Okay, we're going to do this side first, and then we'll end on that big fat relic. Let me go ahead and move that out of the way. Okay. Come on, camera. Work with me here. And Lucas Sims, Fall League. I forgot, JT. You only want ComC stuff. Okay. You got a gold coming up. Connor Sadsack. Gold auto, Topps 100. Ooh. Numbered out of 5. Wow, that's crazy awesome. So Bowman Scouts update, Connor Sadsack. 3 out of 50. Little insert auto. Okay, so that's an autograph. And Johnny Gray's hot right now after that game. Chad Cool. Purple out of 250. Garcia, that's a Harper refractor by the looks. Yeah, 94 out of 499. And the Hoppa. And Adrian Gonzalez is your other blue. 34 out of a $150. Alright. I'm dying to see what that crazy big card looks like, man. You got an awesome Affleck. I peeked at it. Congrats, dude. You hit yourself a Bregman. Now, I always tell people to grade these regardless unless they're just totally atrocious. That doesn't look great, but if it gets a 9, that increases the value on these. Because they're really, really tough grades. That could potentially sneak a 9 even with the poor centering, because the rest of the card's pretty damn solid. It's a 195 out of 199 on the Bregman Affleck. That's awesome. That's the best Affleck you could hit. Pretty sure those are over 100, maybe 120, 130, somewhere around there. Maybe they've dipped a little bit. Congrats, buddy. Definitely worth more in the box. I'm going to sleeve that for you right now. There you go. Awesome hit, man. Alright, let's see what else you got in here. And don't forget, you got a big, crazy patch. There's a Turner rookie. Jordan Stevens even got a bonus auto. Would you look at that? Jordan Stevens. Chicago White Sox. Out of the gate, Trevor Story. Kershaw Refractor? Yeah, 194 out of 499. Hell of a box, dude. Harper Refractor, Kershaw Refractor, Gold Auto, Bregman Affleck, and let's see what the hell this thing is, which way we're going. Oh, man, it's a good player. Tapia for the Rockies. Let's see what this patch looks like. Nice. Arizona Fall League game used with the certification sticker, numbered out of 25. Congrats, Rymel. 3 out of 25 on the Rockies. 254977 JB on the Rymel. That was probably the best single box of Hobby that anyone's ever broken here so far. As far as just a single box of Hobby goes. We've had boxes that came out of case breaks that we did that were a little better, but that was nice. That was nice. Very nice. Okay. 2010 Chrome time. Let's see if we can cap it off. I think you're already in the plus. Let me know if you want me to send the Bregman to grade, too. They're showing the North Carolina riots on TV right now. I'll look at it as soon as I'm done with this, Corey. Friggin' awesome card though, dude. Anytime you get one of them legends. DJ Sports Cards. I don't know if I know who that is. DJ Sports Cards. I don't think I know. One more pack. A couple cards that decided to go for a ride there. Nothing about Clevenger, no. I don't know who Steve Clevenger is. Who is that, Corey? You're gonna have to explain it to me, man. Brian Roberts. There's a Pacheco. First Chrome. Lynn Rosario, Danis, Lance McCullers, Terry Doyle. USA Refractor, $4.99, actually $500, Christian Montgomery. Darren Roof. There's a Jeter Refractor. Kipnis First Chrome. Nice auto, dude. Kid is having a very nice year. Max Kepler. I know Nate just sold his red for, I think, $800, I think. Not positive. I think his base go $25, $30, somewhere around there maybe. Solid though, Max Kepler. And maybe they're even going for more now. I know they shot up when he had that 3-home run game about a month or so ago. Max Kepler, Robbie Erlin, and Brian Villarreal. Alright, so those are the base. Those are also base. JT, 1 stack left, JT. Let's see what you got. Not much, Daniel. Have not broken much. It's a Lorenzen and a Myers. Just kind of been a hang-around night. This John Eli's stuck to a Clayton Kershaw. Chris Archer was also stuck in there. Did he really, Corey? Oh, wow. So he may not have a team tomorrow, you're saying? There's a Familia. Nice card, dude. Josh Donaldson, rookie refractor. Well, rookie refractor. Pretty much, Mike. That's been the whole night. That has been it. I can't even can't deny it. Nicky Delmonico, Mike filled the football break. I can't even take credit for that. There's a Sano. Kashner tops 100 out of 999. Louis Atalano, Evan Bronson, Owens, Ortiz, Donald. There's another Trace Thompson for you. Nice. 2 nice first chromes there. JD and Trace. I wouldn't say typical. Yeah, I can't imagine the M's front office is too happy with that. Can't imagine so. Grade whatever you think. The only thing I saw, the Kepler's off-centered, but the Bregman definitely needs to be graded. I mean, yeah, you probably don't want to get into grading base chromes. That's if you do a real long sub. Alright, so the Bregman's the only thing I'll hold out for you. Okay, Ben, you're up, buddy. There's your boxes, 1 through 7, 1 through 6. Go ahead and give me your picks. I'm going to put JT's Bregman in the grade pile. JT. Get another base box out here, too. Seven on Archives and 4 on Bowman Drive. Bottom box on the Telkuve. Which box do you want first? Asia? Finish up with Sig. And Mr. Corey, you will be up next. Let me just save this.